Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Yes, so today we're gonna look at doing plots, so 2D plots using Julia. Okay, so yeah, on a side note, guys, I would really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you love what you see, please do subscribe. Please share the videos with your friends. You know, Instagram, Telegram, whatever you're gonna use and stuff. WhatsApp, just do it. I would really appreciate it. So thank you very much. So we're gonna start off by typing Julia. So this loads the software that I need to use. There we are. So that's for Julia there. And then using, right, plots. Okay. And then OhMyREPL, and that's just to get like multicolored fonts, that sort of thing. Just pretty, just makes it pretty. So it's just not the black and white stuff. And then Symbolics, right, right, and that will just give me options to create variables. Okay, cool. So we just load in. Yeah, there we are. So we got the intent, right? So at sign, then variables x. I'm not going to execute it. So there we are. So we have to find the variable x, right? And I've got my function. So f of x, and that's equal to 2 times x cubed, right? And then g of x is equal to 2 times x squared. I'll execute it. So yeah, so generic function with one method, right? And then what I need to do now is just do the plot. Okay. Before I do that, so t is equal to -5. So that's the range on the x-axis, right? And I won't execute it. So plot, and then t, my function f. So there we are. So that's my function f, right? And then plot again, t, and then g, my function g. So yeah, so it's a curve. Okay, so 2x squared, right? And then plot the two graphs to the same. Plot the two functions in the same graph. So t, and then f and g. So put my square brackets there. Right, there we are. So they're the two graphs. So that's going to be the 2x squared one, and then that's 2x cubed one, right? So I've done that. Okay, so what I need to do now is I'm just going to plot, your normal trig functions. Okay, so this is just a basic video introducing you guys to plots with Julia. So plots again, so t, right, and then sine x. Yep, there we are. So sine 0 is equal to 0, right? So yeah, let me just do it this way. So sine 0 equal to 0, right? Okay, cool. Right, and then I'll plot again. So plot my cos function, so t, and then cos x. Right, so cos 0 is equal to 1, right? So cos 0, right? And then I'll plot the other one as well, so plot tan x. There we are. Yeah, zigzagish, but yeah, it's not really neat, but yeah, you get the idea of the tan x plot, right? Go back to cos again, actually the tan plot, sorry, cos plot. So there we are. So yeah, so what I can do now is, so that's my last plot. I can save the plots as well. So save them as an image, so as a PNG file. So save fig, right? And with my string, so cosx, right? .png. Right, so there we are. So it's in my drive, right? Yep. So I saved that. So that so cos 0 is 1. Yeah, so definitely it's a cos graph. So it will save the last graph, right? And then I can type it, I can do it this way as well, png, right? And then my string, cos x. Let's do it this way, right? So that's been saved as well. There we are. Yep, cos x graph. Okay, cool. Right, so you can do that as well. Okay, cool. So yeah, it was just a quick vid, guys, showing you how to do basic 2D plots. We'll do more complicated ones like parametric plots and so forth in future videos. Okay, cool. So thank you guys for watching, and like I said again, please do subscribe. Yeah, to my channel. Right, cool. So have a lovely one, and happy Christmas as well. Cool. Cheers. Bye bye.